Hello everyone. So today we are going to be talking about another problem. It is remove duplicates from a sorted linked list. Okay, we will be giving a sorted linked list and we need to just remove the duplicates from that. So given the head of the sorted linked list, delete all the duplicates as the element appears once. Return the linked list in sorted as well. Okay. So example is 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now we are simply removing one duplicate, which is 1. So the resultant linked list is something like 1 and 2. Okay. Then we have this example here, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Another example is this one, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. Simply removing these duplicates, which is 1 from here, 3 from here. We get the resultant as 1, 2 and 3. Okay. The constants are the number of nodes in the linked list is in the range from 0 to 300. Okay. Node dot value ranges from -100 to 100, and the list is guaranteed to be in the sorted in ascending order. Okay. So this is just the constants. Now let us see the approach how we are going to be dealing with this problem. So here is an approach that we are going to be using in this problem. So suppose we have only one, we have this, suppose this is given that head dot next equals to null, which means only one value is there. So if only one node is there, we are sure that there is no duplicate possible. So we are just simply going to be returning that head. Okay, so that is for sure. When we have more values, we are going to be looping and seeing the values. Okay, seeing for the duplicates. So here we are making under temporary pointer, which is current, which is pointing to the head only. Now we are going to be seeing that if current dot value is equals to current dot next dot value, which means this is current dot next. If both values are equal, we are simply pointing current dot next equals to current dot next dot next. So we are simply doing this thing. Okay, we are simply ignoring this. Similarly, now current is pointing to here. Okay, current is pointing here. Now again we will be seeing that current's value, we will be seeing current dot next dot value, both are unequal. So doesn't matter, we will be simply moving our current from here to here. So current equals to current dot next, that is the thing. Now again we will be seeing current's value comparing with the current dot next dot value, both of them are equal. We will be simply going and doing this, current equals to current dot next equals to current dot next dot next. Okay, so it's simply pointing here. Okay, ignoring this thing. So the resultant linked list appears something like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this will be null. Okay, so this is the simple thing that we have done here. Okay, and we are making sure that whenever we are traversing before, we are checking that currents dot next should not be equals to null. Okay, that is the check here. So here is the code solution. So here what we are doing, we are making a current temporary node which is pointing to the head. Okay, and then what we are doing, we are checking that if our head is equals to null, we are simply returning null. Okay, if our head dot next equals to null, which means we have only one node, so we are sure that there is no duplicate possible, we are simply returning our head. Okay, now we are running this while loop in which we are checking current dot next should not be equals to null. If that is the case, we are just simply running this while loop, and we are doing to check here that if our current value is equals to current dot next dot value, then what we are doing, we are pointing current dot next equals to current dot next dot next. Okay, so this is the part which we are doing here. In else condition, if both of them are equal, we are simply making our current point to current dot next. Okay, so that is there. Now at the end we are simply returning our head. Okay, let us try to run the code. So I hope this problem is very much understandable. Okay, now this was the part 1. We'll also be looking into the part 2 for this, in which we just remove the complete node. Okay, that is the part 2. So the internet sim doesn't working. Yeah, we have got the solution here. Okay, the solution is submitted.